Congratulations to all of our graduates. Today, I do hope that you are proud of yourselves. You all did well, you all did great. You all really pushed through. Your 4 weeks of summer camp is not an easy thing to commit to, yet you all committed. And I must say I'm very, very proud of you all for sticking it through, getting up every morning, logging on time, and participating in the class, doing the assignments. It was recognized, it was noticed, and we, the facilitators, appreciate you. This is your graduation. You're getting certificates today. And I do hope that the last 4 weeks, as I said, 4 weeks were exciting, it was knowledgeable, and you did it. You made it to the end. You made it to the end. That concludes the end of our session, our LEAP Virtual Camp 2022. I thank you all for participating and taking the time out. Thank you to the parents who are on. Thank you so much for signing your children up. It shows that you are actually interested in having them, learn and grow and be better individuals in the society that we live in today. It's not an easy one, so we need the parent support as much as we can. It takes a village, right? They say it takes a village to raise a child. You can't do it alone, right? So again, thank you to the facilitators who are on.
Remember that there is greatness within you. Don't let the noise distort, disturb, or distract.
This class was great, and I learned a lot of things about Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint and things. I learned how to be an entrepreneur, and you could use your hobbies to make it into a business or something like that. And I really like this class for the last 4 weeks.
I want to say I thought this camp was very amazing, and thank you to all the teachers who helped me do my assignments, and I learned a lot from Microsoft Word and PowerPoint and MS Word.
So this entire camp was really good. I learned a lot more online towards business. All the teachers were very nice. They explained everything well. And I just wanted to say congratulations to everybody.